I cannot believe this event was put on for free by the Fire Department of Plainville, Connecticut. I'm telling you, living in Connecticut is a flex. So I work at 5 o'clock to make it to the Hot Air Balloon Festival at 6 a.m. I am not a morning person, and I've said it before. I wake very early, but I don't get social so early in the morning. I don't want to socialize until 10 a.m. But on this day, I was very excited to get to the balloon festival. Look how beautiful this is. Somebody commented in one of my live videos that they can't believe it's so crowded at 6 a.m. Yeah, people in Connecticut be coming out. So this was a free event put on by the Fire Department of Plainville, Connecticut. The only thing we paid for was the parking, which was $5, and then the shuttle bus picked us up and took us to the school, to the park, not the school. This was my first time seeing hot air balloons up close, and it was my first time seeing balloons launched. Of course, knowing me, I got there late, and so I missed some of the launches, but when I got there, I saw many of the balloons up in the air, and there were several on the ground waiting to be launched. In the middle of recording my videos, I decided to go live, and so in this set of videos, I do not have the launch of several of the balloons, but they are on my Instagram live, which I don't know how many get them off because that video is too long to download. But here is one of the balloons. These balloons were huge. Do not let me after this is all canvas. These balloons are bigger than a house. I could not catch all the balloons in one clip, so I had to turn the phone
And this one
horizontally
has
to see if I
launched.
can catch them because, man, they
Yep,
were
this is what we're doing in
huge.
Connecticut today.
I somehow never
We're launching
imagined
hot
that
air
they would be
balloons.
this big. I thought they were probably a little bigger than an SUV. These were big as a house. I enjoyed watching them firing it all up, and then I enjoyed the liftoff. This was so delightful. It was just good, clean family fun. Did I mention I'm glad I'm a Connecticut resident? I didn't. I am so glad I'm a Connecticut resident. After spending 20 years in New York, New York City doesn't have this, but I'm sure upstate New York does. But I've never seen one. Actually, if you live in Middletown, New York, they have a balloon. They have
Oh,
balloon rides
it's
for
right over my
something like
head.
I don't know, $75 to $100. Now, some of
Okay, this
these
one
are
is
all
about to
private balloon
launch.
owners, and so I've read that some of them do allow balloon rides. You'd have to make a special arrangement with them. I saw one lady on Facebook saying she wanted to take her friend out for her friend's birthday, so you'd have to contact them privately. These balloons could only fit like maybe 4 person tops, so I'm not sure how many persons actually went
Now
on
we
the
have
rides.
this one
Look at this
getting ready
behemoth.
to
This
launch.
one was getting off the ground when I got there.
Whoops.
It finally got up, put it in the air, and it
And
floated
up
away.
she
But
goes.
again, that is captured on Instagram live. Then the sun started to come up, and it was looking more beautiful. There's nothing like a sunny day, beautiful, happy people, and just great vibes, energy, and these beautiful colored balloons. She's pulling for dear life.
She's lifting the balloon herself. Come on, you can do it. Oh, here's another one trying to launch. Come on, guys, you can do it. I believe in you. Woohoo! It's about to go up! It's about to go up! It's about to go up! Oh no! It's deflating! Oh, is it going up? Yes, yes, yes! It's about to do it! It's about to do it! Yes! And it did it! And it did it! It did it! Look at him! He's fighting for his life over there. And here's another one behind that one. So we are back for round 2 of the balloon festival, and by we I mean me and my camera. And there it is. Remax did bring their balloon. It is so crowded out here. So crowded. I can't even make a full 360 because it is so crowded. Where am I walking to? I have no idea. They are gigantic close up. Gigantic. Okay, I cannot express how big these balloons are. I don't know why my phone is making them look tiny. They are humongous. And they're lighting up.
Sometimes you're recording content and you just get so caught up in the moment you forgot you're recording content. I went back at 6 p.m. for the balloon glow, and so this was the last balloon that was lit up. I sat there the entire time. Shout out to the Plainville Fire Department for putting this on. It was beautiful. It was my first time enjoying a balloon festival, and it was free. The shuttle buses from the airport and the high school were so very well coordinated, and the bus drivers were so friendly and polite, and the young man was funny. I am overjoyed to be a Connecticut resident because experiences like these are priceless. This was my first balloon festival, as I said, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. I am Gail of 876 Documents. Thank you for watching this mishmash video. I hope you enjoyed it. Here are some of the pictures I took.